of strangers. Believe me when I say, loving me is loving danger.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I create this Swan Brand makeup tutorial using only e.l.f. cosmetic product. So if you want to know how I create this look, then keep on watching this video till the end. And yes, so first I am moisturizing my face and priming my face using a primer because I don't have any primer, so I'm using some other one. Then I'm going to use this e.l.f. acne fighting skin foundation in the shade buff, and I'm going to dotting it out all over my skin, and it will help me to blend the foundation into my skin. Then I'm going to use the flat foundation brush of e.l.f. Cosmetic, and I'm going to blend my foundation using this brush. And flat foundation brush gives full coverage, so as you can see, I'm going to blend it properly into my skin. After I blending the foundation, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer. I'm using it as my eye primer as well as to brighten my under eye area, as well as I'm going to apply it in my forehead a little bit, and I'm going to blend it using my ring finger because it will warms down the product properly and it will blend the things properly. So I'm using my ring finger to blend the concealer properly into my skin, and that does the job very nicely. Then I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetic Under Eye Banana Powder, and I'm going to apply it underneath the concealer to set the concealer in the place so that it does not crease out. So I am doing that in both of my eyes using my beauty blender. Then moving to my eyebrows, I'm going to fill up my brows using this e.l.f. Cosmetics eyebrow, and as you can see, I already done it off camera. Then I'm going to move to this blush and contour duo palette, and I'm going to use this blush shade and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. I'm going to go with a very simple eye makeup look. So I'm blending with the e.l.f. Cosmetic blending brush and applying it all over my lid. Then I'm using this highlighter and bronzer baked thingy, and I'm going to apply it in my eyelid above the color that I have picked up with the blush one, and I'm just going to randomly apply it in my lid so that it just gives me a shine. And apply some mascara using from same e.l.f. Cosmetics, and using the same blush to blush my cheeks a little, not that much but a little sheen to my cheeks, in apple of my cheeks. Then also I'm going to use the same contour from that same palette, and I'm going to contour my hollows of my cheeks, that just to carve a little bit. So I'm using this color right here. It is a very light and subtle color, so I'm using this. Then moving to the highlighter part, using this baked highlighter, and I'm going to highlight the highlighting part or the high points of my face, so it just pops out from my skin and gives a very beautiful shine, as I can see. Then I'm going to move the lipstick, the liquid lipstick. I don't remember the set number, but I'm going to link it in my description box. It is a pretty nude color, and voila, my all set makeup is done, and I'm just spraying a little bit of makeup setting spray, and I'm ready to rock with my one brand makeup tutorial e.l.f. Cosmetics. And I hope you like this video. If you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, see you, take care, bye.